Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Teta. So my previous video I did like a brief content introduction, so I realized it wasn't kind of detailed, so I want to make it more detailed this time around. So just bits of everything I'm going to be uploading in some details. Yeah, so stay tuned and then we get into it. Yeah, so I talked about me going to upload. The main things I'm going to be putting on this channel is about hair, natural hair, yeah, and then cooking, that's like dieting and health, graphic design and video editing, DIYs. Anything lifestyle. So for the hair, what am I going to be talking basically about? So I call it hair talk before hairdo. So like all you need to know about hair, what you need to know about hair vloggers before you watch. Because myself personally, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I realized there's certain things I didn't know, and it kind of like affected the kind of videos. It kind of affected the YouTube videos I watched. Like you're supposed to choose specifically which kind of YouTubers or hair vloggers to watch exactly. So for the hair talk, your hair type, your hair porosity, your hair care, hair health in general, and then yeah, so that's hair talk before hairdos, and then exciting hair stuff that's I wouldn't want to spoil for you now, so just stay tuned and just hit the bell button and make sure you're notified whenever I upload a video. So then cooking, how to prepare certain foods, some hacks with cooking, dieting and health, vegetarian, pescatarian, etc. And then what water does for your body. So myself personally, I'm going to talk about what water has done for me here. Then for graphic designing and video editing, so how to design flyers, I'm going to take like sample flyers and show you how to design it. Then maybe posters, editing short videos, then innovative DIY. So I talked about my first video, making gift boxes, so I think you can find that. I'm going to link that video as well. And then how to make probably your own marks, like different hacks, and or then everything lifestyle, nature, faith, visit to rare places, interesting stuffs, just everything lifestyle. So just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share this video with somebody. Thank you very much and bye. Love you all. Peace out.